here's Zangi Messenger app. It's climbing higher and higher in the charts in social media. Registration without phone number and without personal contact sharing, protections from surveillance and account hacking. So yeah, this is the app, one of alternatives to WhatsApp, which you can try to use. And then yeah, if you just open it up, you just create your account, you can get some number instantly, and then you just have chats. You can give access to your contacts. This is just like an example. This is your personal messages, which you can use like as notes. You can also give access to camera, to your photos. You can send gifs. It's a bit laggy, but yeah. And then you can also send voice messages. You can also share media here. So yeah, calls. Then you can just try to do calls. Also, you can just do bigger group calls in this app, which is kind of fun. Then there are your contacts. To add a new contact, you just tap plus in the top right. You can sort your contacts as well. And there is some information how to connect with friends. So to share with friends, just go to your private number and then just share it. And then also you can invite friends. And then you can also go to the add contact and then just save it. You can also type and call. So like 4 ways to add friends. So yep. So that's basically the idea, how you can invite your friends. Then there are settings. If you want to upgrade, there is a monthly price for $5 per month, which is not a lot, where you can have secret communication, unlimited and original size files transfer, unlimited conferencing. So yeah, from here you can invite friends, you can edit your appearance, dark mode, privacy. You can delete an account from here if you wanna. If you wanna hide conversation, again, you need to upgrade. So yeah, kind of cool app alternative to WhatsApp. Give it a try.